Hi everyone, so today I want to do an unboxing for one of my lighters. For those of you that know, I love lighters. This time it's a Cartier. I literally just brought this out of my safe because I was having a conversation with a friend about some Cartier lighters, some vintage ones, but this is not so vintage, but a very special one. This is how it comes in this real leather pouch that boxes everything. Here you have, pop the receipt away, the booklet, you know, like so. You get this pin sort of thing to pull out the way you refill the gas. Now I have used it for a few days following bringing it back home, but yeah, you get the instruction manual, the guarantee, and then a Cartier card. So all these three things, I'll just put them here. And here is the bad boy. Such a beautiful item. I forgot this one. I brought this out, but this is a pouch as well you get for the lighter. You should have Cartier written on somewhere. Yeah, literally there it's written there, Cartier. Put that aside. Let me know what your thoughts are on first impression. Voila. Just look at this beauty. I'll bring it out of the case. Look at this. Very pretty. The whole Cartier red going on. The gold. Very beautiful lighter. Lights well. I did have issues actually, but I got that rectified thanks to YouTube. Yeah. You refill and you like increase the flame size here. It does this thing where you rotate the knob to either reduce or increase the flame size, like so. And then what's so clever is you screw it back. I'll just turn that down a little. Like so. Beautiful, elegant lighter by Cartier. It's just the grooves here, the name. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts. The lacquer and it just really works. I'll show you another lighter here just to compare size. This is obviously the Dupont. This is a very special edition. I'm sure a number of you would be aware of this one. You know, you can't go around with the Dupont cling, but the Cartier also has its own style. Not like a cling, but you know, which do you prefer? Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, well, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any comments, thoughts around this, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Take care, bye.